patented theory about osteoarthritis of the knee, which is by far the commonest joint to be affected by the aging process. The condition starts with muscle imbalance around the knee joint. It is biomechanically known that muscle weakness is associated with its shortening. Thus, the starting point is the weakness of the quadriceps muscles, with subsequent maltrocking of the patella, orthopedically known as patellofemoral maltrocking. The patella is shifted up and laterally, and rotates externally around its axis. This is with laxity and weakness of the vastus medialis obliquus muscle, VMO. The compensatory mechanism is the shifting of the tibia medially, with concentration on the medial compartment of the knee. The repetition of this process over the long run results in the destruction of the cartilage on the medial compartment of the knee. Moreover, the glycation of the collagen of the cartilage stops the capacity of the cartilage to renew itself. The renewal capacity of the cartilage is more or less limited because the cartilage is mostly avascular. Superrejuve can help in the reversal of the whole pathological process, especially in the early stages of osteoarthritis, where the cartilage is not fully destroyed. It has the strongest antioxidants that can stop the glycation process. Moreover, it has a vitamin, K2, that stops the calcification process of the cartilage of the knee. Furthermore, it has all the natural anti-inflammatory substances that reduce the swelling of the knee joint. Superrejuve can help you. Give it a try. It is registered with the FDA,